as you have already said the full form of RSI, let me take you through the formula of RSI first. It's very important. Given a number that RSI is 50, what does that mean? It means that the bulls have eventually started taking control. Do not try to fresh sell because the price have already gone down. Very important, viewers. Please make a big note over here. So somewhere at around 99 or 100 levels, what we can do is we can buy this particular stock.
Hello strikers, I am Nimisha and in this video we will be learning about one of the important elements of technical analysis, that is RSI, Relative Strength Index. So do not forget to make notes and happy learning. Let's get started.
Great. Fantastic. So, as you have already said, the full form of RSI, that's Relative Strength Index. Now, what is RSI basically? RSI is nothing but a momentum indicator. Momentum, it measures the speed of the price. All right. So, whether the speed is going up, going down, is there a bullish speed or is there a bearish speed? So, basically, it's like a speedometer only. While you are driving a car, speedometer is very important. Just like that, while you are trading or investing, RSI is also very important. All right. Let me take you through the formula of RSI first. It's very important. All right. Now, before we calculate RSI, we calculate something called as RS. That is relative strength. Okay. I'll keep things very simple. All right. RS is nothing but, all right, by default, first of all, for how many days we want to calculate the speed. So by default, people take 14 period RSI.
Okay.
All right. So in last 14 days, all right, if it is a daily chart, last 14 weeks, if it is a weekly chart, or so on.
Okay,
All right. So if it is a daily chart, what we need to do is we need to calculate the average number of up days. Up days meaning
Uptrend.
up days meaning green candles.
Green
Whenever
candles,
the
okay.
closes is above the opening.
Okay.
So in last 14 days, how many days were green candles?
Okay.
And divide that by the average number of down days.
Green candles on the opening of the everyday.
Green candles at the end. Green
At
candles
the
are
end.
finished. Yeah. So
Okay.
in 14 on a particular chart from today, count behind, go back 14 days. And in that back 14 days, count the number of green candles.
Okay.
All right. Let's suppose there were 7 green candles. Then how many will be red candles? 7 red candles. So RS will be equal to 1 in this case. All right. Now once we get RS, now we will substitute in the formula of RSI. So RSI is equal to 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS.
Okay.
All right. So now this is the formula of RSI. RS we got as 1. If the number of up days and down days are equal, then RS will be 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. And 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. Did you understand?
Yeah.
So if given a number that RSI is 50, what does that mean? It means that in last 14 periods, there were equal bulls and equal bears.
Yeah.
Okay, equal green candles and equal red candles. So no one is actually winning in that 14 days. All right. Now, what if we say that while calculating RS, all right, there were, let's say, out of the 14 period, there were, let's say, 12 green candles and only 2 red candles. So RS will be 6. Now, if we take 6 in this particular formula, it will be 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus 6. That is 100 divided by 7. What will be? Can you divide 100 by 7? Approximately around 14. Yeah, 14 point something. And if we subtract 100 from 100, we subtract 14. What will we get? Around
86.
86. So RSI is equal to 86. And if we take vice versa, if we say that out of this, there were only, let's say, 2 green candles and 12 red candles. This will be in some points, right? And if we add some points over here, what will happen is 100 divided by 1, it will be somewhere around, this number will be somewhere around, let's say 96 or something. 100 minus 96 will be 4.
4.
So in this case, RSI will be equal to around 4. So now we have, if RSI is equal to 50, meaning equal bulls and bears. If RSI is greater than 50, that means bulls are winning the battle.
Okay.
And if RSI is less than 50, then bears are winning the battle. They are in control in last 14 days. So that's RSI. Now we need to check. Now, how is RSI plotted? So what happens is, on a particular chart, out of 5,000 stocks, which stocks are looking bullish, which stocks are looking bearish in terms of momentum, in terms of RSI? How to find that? Very simple. Log on to web.strike.money, and over here you have a dedicated scanner section. In the scanner section, you simply select relative strength index. From here, you select the basket of your choice, you select the time frame of your choice, in this case daily, and simply say I want stocks in which RSI are above 70 levels, and look back from 1st of January. So over here you got a list of stocks, Lloyd's SME, where the RSI is above 70 since 1st of January. So that's how simple it is. And do your further analysis. Hurry up, log on to web.strike.money and start your 7-day free trial right now. All right. See, this is RSI, and by default it is 14 period RSI, this line. All right. So what happens is, we need to check from this period to this period, RSI has gone up. Meaning over here, what has happened? The bulls have eventually started taking control. From here to here, RSI is falling. So what is happening? There are more number of red candles over here. Not necessarily the prices will go down. It may also go sideways. But over here, there are more number of red candles and the momentum is going down. Now look at this. When momentum takes good speed over here, all right, what happens? The prices go up sharply. All right, and whenever prices will come down sharply, what will happen to the momentum indicator?
It will
come down. Right, so this is RSI. Now in RSI, there are overbought and oversold levels. So in market, what happens is, generally, all right, 70, if RSI reading is above 70. Okay, now this is an oscillator. Okay, this is an oscillator, and because of the formula, RSI will never go above 100 or will never go below 0. It will always keep on oscillating. Right, you can see over here. Yeah, RSI is always oscillating from 0 to 100. All right. So in market, if RSI reading is below 30, this zone is called as oversold zone. Meaning prices would have gone down very drastically, and it is said that at this oversold zone, do not try to fresh sell because the price have already gone down.
Correct.
All right. Similarly, the zone between 70 to 100, this is called as overbought zone. Overbought zone. So when RSI reading is above 70, don't try to buy new shares. All right. So what does it mean? If you don't try to buy new shares, there may be a profit booking time.
Yeah.
Or probably if it is an oversold region, there might be new buy which we can get an opportunity. All right. So now when to buy or when to sell? So generally, let's say if prices are coming down over here and it is in the oversold zone, and when RSI leaves the oversold zone, when RSI goes above 30, this could be a buying opportunity.
Yeah.
Now understand, very important viewers or as well, please make a big note over here. RSI is just an indicator. Who is God in the market? The price is the God in the market. So first look at the price action. If there is a bullish engulfing pattern, you remember what is bullish engulfing pattern? We have covered in the candlestick now videos. So if there is a bullish engulfing pattern or any other price bullish pattern, you confirm that with RSI later.
Yeah. Okay.
And if on a bullish engulfing pattern, if RSI is leaving above 30, all right, then probably this will give you a confirmation that, okay, you can go ahead and buy the stock. Did you understand? So who is the first confirming signal from the price? First, volume. All right. If there is a breakout above a particular trend line with volume, you compare that with RSI. Is RSI momentum increasing? Is the breakout with good momentum or not? All right. So that will give you further confirmation. Similarly, if RSI is in the overbought zone and from the overbought zone prices comes down over here, this is the time to sell.
Sell.
All right. Of course, first look at, is there any bearish pattern? And in that bearish pattern, if RSI is suggesting you a sell, you can go ahead and sell. Clear? Now, this is general. What I use for myself, all right, I modify the overbought and oversold zones a little bit. And what we will do, instead of 70 and 30,
Okay.
we will use 60 and 40 to find out the overbought and oversold zones. All right.
When do we do this?
Every time. So in our
Okay.
RSI, so RSI default setting will be, if you can see, RSI default setting will be based on 70 and 30. We will come here and RSI upper band we will change it to 60 and RSI lower band we will change it to 40. And the period we will keep it default as 14 only. No change in that. All right. Now, with this, we can have a trading system also over here. Is how? Let's say this is a RSI level at 60 and this is RSI level at 40. Now, if RSI is going above 60, it has just crossed above 60, meaning the momentum is, just few days ago, the momentum was 50.
50.
All right, so the bulls and bears speed were equal. And when we see that RSI is going and has crossed above 60, meaning what? The car has picked up speed. Imagine you are driving a car at 50 kilometers per hour and all of a sudden you go to 60 kilometers per hour, 65 kilometers per hour. Why would you do that?
Because I want to increase the speed.
Why would you increase the speed? You will increase the speed only if the road is clear, right?
Yeah.
If the road is not clear, will you increase the speed?
No.
You will bump. So, when this momentum indicator increases the speed, meaning probably on the price action over there, the road may be clear. So, because of that, they have just increased. By the time it is 70, there may be, you will have to slow down. All right. So, 60 is, looking a very good indicator as a overbought zone. So we'll not treat it as a overbought zone, but we will take it as a trading system. If RSI is above 60, we will go ahead and we can buy the stock. Remember, price action first and then this indicator. All right. Similarly, what will happen is we have to confirm if RSI is taking support at 60 and bouncing back once again. All right. So many times you will observe. We'll check the charts live. And similarly, when RSI is going below 40, taking a resistance and again coming down. So this is the place where we will go ahead and sell the stock. Okay, above 60 if the price goes, we will buy. Below 40 if the price goes, we will sell. Similarly, you remember support and resistance?
Yeah.
Just like that, 60 and 40 levels, this will act like a support or resistance.
Yeah.
Support or resistance for the stock. So when there is a resistance breakout, you will buy. All right. Whenever there is a support and bounce back, you will buy. Similarly, when there is a breakdown, you will sell. Whenever there is a resistance and price goes down, you will try to sell. Clear? Simple? Now, let's look at some charts and see some examples. How did the price react? Okay. So, what do we have over here is, see over here, what is happening? We'll also put up volumes in this for further confirmation. Okay. Now, look at the RSI right now over here. RSI has taken support at 40.
Yeah.
Correct? And the price goes up. And now, with the price going above this, all right, is there a breakout? Yeah. You learned how to draw trend lines, right? So now, yes, there is a breakout. And with the breakout, after a breakout, with this green color candle, all right, it is above average increase in volumes.
Yeah.
And RSI also goes above 60. So what did we say over here? When RSI goes above 60, we would buy. So somewhere at around 99 or 100 levels, what we can do is we can buy this particular stock and just see how did the price go up. See the momentum indicator as well. The momentum indicator increased and now the speed is 80.
80.
It is it's trading at full speed. Full speed. And now when the prices are going up, it is approaching a possible top over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, or probably this particular trend line. If we draw a trend line like this, it's approaching a resistance level. So now at the resistance level, see how did the RSI perform? The speed from 80 it came down to 60. So there is a break. Why
Yeah.
did you apply break? Probably because there is some hindrance. And that's where, RSI will give you signals quickly.
We also get the red candle. It means that it will come down.
Yes. So whatever shares that you have bought on this breakout, you can at least book partial profits out here. Right? Let's see what's happening now. Now again, see RSI is failing to go below 60. So 60 level is acting like a good support level. And once this is broken out, yeah, once the price breaks above this trend line, it is sailing smoothly. All right, it is cruising smoothly. And now look at this. RSI crosses below 40. RSI crosses below 40. This particular support level is broken out here. What do you need to do? Simply sell. You simply sell. And look how prices went down from here. Okay, so always remember 60 is a good speed, below 40 is bearish good speed.
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's RSI. Now there is more to it where we find out RSI divergences. So that we will take up in our next video.
Okay.
I hope you understood what is RSI.
Yeah.
Great, fantastic.
Thank you so much. And I have learned a lot from this session. I think that you have noted down the points that Zubin has told us. And as he said, we will be learning about more things in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.